In today's interconnected digital world, cybersecurity stands as a paramount concern for businesses and individuals alike. With the proliferation of online services and the increasing digitization of personal and financial data, the need for robust cybersecurity measures has never been greater. One essential aspect of cybersecurity is customer identity and access management, CIAM, a set of principles and practices aimed at protecting and managing customer identities securely. In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of cybersecurity and delve into the principles of CIAM, highlighting its importance, benefits, and key challenges. Understanding cybersecurity. Cybersecurity, ensuring digital protection. Cybersecurity refers to the set of technologies, processes, and practices designed to safeguard digital information from unauthorized access, theft, and damage. It encompasses a wide range of measures, including network security, endpoint protection, encryption, and access control, aimed at defending against cyber threats such as malware, phishing attacks, and data breaches. The evolving threat landscape. As technology advances, so do the tactics employed by cybercriminals. With the rise of sophisticated cyber threats and the increasing interconnectedness of digital systems, organizations must continuously adapt and strengthen their cybersecurity posture to mitigate risks effectively. Introducing CIAM. Defining CIAM. Customer Identity and Access Management, CIAM, is a specialized subset of identity and access management, IAM, that focuses on managing and securing digital identities for customers or users accessing online services, applications, or platforms. CIAM solutions enable businesses to authenticate, authorize, and manage customer identities securely, while also ensuring compliance with data protection regulations. The importance of CIAM. In today's digital economy, where customer data is a valuable asset, CIAM plays a crucial role in enhancing cybersecurity and protecting sensitive information. By implementing robust CIAM practices, businesses can safeguard customer identities, prevent unauthorized access, and foster trust and confidence among their user base. Foundations of CIAM. Principles of CIAM. CIAM is guided by several key principles that underpin its design and implementation. Security, ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of customer data through robust security measures. Privacy, respecting and protecting customer privacy rights by implementing data protection controls and complying with relevant regulations. Scalability, designing CIAM solutions to accommodate growing numbers of users and increasing volumes of data without sacrificing performance or security. Usability, providing a seamless and intuitive user experience that balances security requirements with user convenience and accessibility. Components of CIAM. CIAM solutions typically consist of several core components. Identity verification, processes for verifying the identity of users during account registration or login, such as email verification or identity document checks. Authentication, methods for validating user credentials and granting access to digital resources, including passwords, biometric authentication, and multi-factor authentication. Authorization, enforcing access control policies to determine what resources or services users are allowed to access based on their roles, permissions, and attributes. User management, tools and interfaces for creating, managing, and deleting user accounts, as well as updating user profiles and preferences. Audit and compliance, logging and monitoring mechanisms for tracking user activities and access events, as well as ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements and internal policies. Benefits of implementing CIAM. Enhanced security. By implementing CIAM solutions, organizations can significantly enhance the security of their digital systems and protect sensitive customer data from cyber threats such as unauthorized access, data breaches, and identity theft. Improved customer experience. CIAM solutions can streamline the user authentication and access process, providing a frictionless and seamless experience for customers accessing online services or applications. By reducing login friction and simplifying account management tasks, businesses can enhance user satisfaction and loyalty. Regulatory compliance. With the proliferation of data protection regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, compliance has become a top priority for organizations handling customer data. CIAM solutions can help businesses ensure compliance with these regulations by implementing robust data protection controls, privacy-enhancing features, and audit trails. Scalable architecture. As businesses grow and scale their operations, they need CIAM solutions that can accommodate increasing numbers of users and data volumes without compromising on performance or security. By designing scalable CIAM architectures, organizations can future-proof their identity management infrastructure and support business growth effectively. Key challenges in CIAM. Balancing security and usability. One of the primary challenges in CIAM is striking the right balance between security and usability. While robust security measures are essential for protecting customer data, overly complex authentication processes or cumbersome user interfaces can frustrate users and hinder adoption. Finding the optimal balance between security and usability requires careful design and user-centric approach. Compliance with evolving regulations. As data protection regulations continue to evolve and become more stringent, organizations face the challenge of ensuring compliance with these regulations while also delivering seamless and frictionless user experiences. CIAM solutions must adapt to changing regulatory requirements, such as GDPR's data subject rights or CCPA's consumer privacy rights, and implement necessary controls and mechanisms to demonstrate compliance. Conclusion. In an increasingly digitized world where cybersecurity threats are ever present, customer identity and access management, CIAM, stands as a critical pillar of defense for businesses seeking to protect customer identities and data. By adhering to the principles of CIAM, organizations can enhance security, improve customer experience, ensure regulatory compliance, and support scalable growth. However, challenges such as balancing security and usability and staying abreast of evolving regulations require careful attention and proactive measures. By embracing CIAM as a fundamental aspect of their cybersecurity strategy, businesses can build trust, foster loyalty, and safeguard customer identities in today's digital landscape.